Don't be running. Welcome to Hippie Trails. So it is right now 6:23 in the morning. I'm late. And guess what? I don't have Shelly with me again. I don't know. Anyway, she's working. But I got my BFF friend. Now, Fran is the fisher woman. But we have not had the greatest luck this year, right?
Right.
So we decided this year we're gonna charter a fishing charter. I need to get his money. And we're gonna go out and learn how to catch some striper,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So we're feeling good today. We're hoping to get some really big ones, but they're down here waiting on us. I gotta go back and get his money, and then we're gonna get on this boat and go. All right? Peace. We're walking the plank.
There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see. There's a sun in the sky, there's a cloud drifting by, all kinds of birds make you wish you could fly. And in the distance I see someone waving at me. I hope that it's you, but who else could it be?
Friend.
Just start cranking it. Yep. Start reeling. A little, but we got something. Alright. I think it's a darn catfish the way it's acting. It is a little fella.
Yeah, a little channel cat.
Little fella.
It's just a baby.
Oh,
Cute little guy.
give it a piss, friend.
Oh, I ain't scared of catfish.
Cute little guy. On out there.
He's just a baby.
We'll say we got one, but it ain't much of one.
Hey, we got the skunk on.
Yeah.
You just crank him. Don't worry about that other line. I'll take care of it. This needs to be. Real.
Yeah, girl.
I think it's another cat.
He's wrapped up.
What's up with all these darn catfish?
Another catfish.
Hey, he's better than the other one.
That's right.
They are technically growing. You done?
Look at all the slime. He's gonna
There he
talk to you.
goes.
Well, good morning to you too.
Wait. Nothing to say? We've got 3 catfish. 3. No striper yet. But we're not giving up.
Yeah, one striper break off though.
One big striper break off. It actually took his reel. It almost took it. So that would have been a good one. But here we go.
This is where the big kitty came from.
We want that.
I think he
We don't care, do we?
I'm not discriminating.
So C and C caught a 50-pound catfish here. When was that?
A flathead catfish 3 days ago.
3 days ago, where we're at. 50 pounds, it's huge. And I might have to steal a picture from his page to put on here so you can see it, because it makes you not want to swim in the lake.
Makes me not want to swim for sure.
Okay, I'm feeling lucky about over here, Fran. How you feeling?
Very lucky.
Very lucky. Fran's up next, and we all know Fran's the fisher lady, not me.
I mean, if you get hooked up with what lives here, you better hold on with one thing. It's a good sized fish. There you go. What you got over there?
Let's go, Fran.
And whenever it tries to run, just kind of let it run, and whenever it gives you some, just reel. That might not be a catfish the way it's running. I'll tell you what it is, it's a heavy fish.
Yeah.
Alright. Slide right there beside you, don't reel it up no more past your sink.
Oh, that's a big one.
Jesus. I don't know what's up with all these darn catfish right
Hey,
now. We'll take it though.
we'll take it. Look at that.
Come here, buddy.
Woo! Yeah, Fran.
Right.
I like. Perfect.
He's like,
Walk, walk.
Alright, let's throw him in the live well.
here, you got a buddy in there.
Okay, well, 4 catfish.
4 catfish, 2 good eater size.
Yeah. So the guy kept 2, said he's going to give it to his 80-year-old neighbor.
Yep.
But it's just really hot right now, so we're going to come back in about 5 weeks, right?
Yep.
And we're going to try it again, so we're not giving up.
Very
Right, Fran?
nice guide. No, we're not giving up on it. We're
Yeah.
going to get them.
Colt with C&C Outfitters. Amazing. Check them out on Facebook. We were on Boone Lake today, but he goes to Watauga and South Hole. Well, different places depending on what you want to fish for, but super, super great company. Highly recommend. And we're going to do it again. So a little bit of footage today, not what we were hoping for, but hey, that's fishing. So we'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Peace.
I hope you feel the